Aye guys, namshewe tantlhini amukela ka Conspicuous Talents TV, bringing talent to people. So loko mi nge se subscribe ni kombela mi subscribe, and then one thing to add on that, ya ku subscribe. Thank you guys, you have been very supportive. Mi subscribe yini vo tala van'we lun'we vo ka mi nga za mi subscribe ni ndlela leyo. Okay, handle ka ku dya nkarhi wo ni nghena mhakeni. I still want a song of the year, like photo at the certain radio stations, and I don't want to mention names of radio stations because sanga song la politiki kulukumba. And then the same what Xitsonga at corner da. So now as Xitsonga, wanna our song of the year. Lenga ta choose our song of the year. And then I choose anjana ka comment section. I have certain songs of certain artists that think at the nominator, that think at one and go high rotation throughout the year. And then one of what is a so you guys are going to choose from those songs and so ninga se jankar wotala cause that channel still get karata that yadura even if I'm interested at Wi-Fi and interested in morning at jinkaro ngofo since sekoro itelela ra 2019 indlela le. So tinsimu ta kota tsheme indlela leyiwa kumbe artist okay mwana ranga artist yena Soluma Kamu, Beni Mayengani, Mr Post, Joy Sherman, Prince Rangani, Oscar Makamu, NEC, Sign Free, Team Senso. So long can nominate tinsimu what's like ani ayiko ani nominated saksa kumina ani ayiko vanhu va tlanga ngopfu yini vanhu va tsakile ngopfu yini hi ndlela yeleyo. And then loko ri maybe risimu leri i nga ri twa ingaku na wehe it's like ri ku berini kumbe a ri ri ku beni hala ka n'wina kumbe la a wu ri koho i ri twa ingaku a ri ri ka high rotation, feel free ku ri tsala ka comment section, and then lava pfumelelaku na wehe va ta like your comment, and then hi ndlela yeleyo. So then I'll come back to announce which song got many votes, and then let's say I'm going to give this video 5 days. And then which means the 5 the 6th January somewhere there I'm going to do a video and then announce the song of the year for the year 2019. So Soluma Kamu ni nominate Google Mwansati, ni nominate Wanuna Wamfana, and then for Mr Post Indambi na Bzala na Fole and plus Juni. For Mr Post nominated 3 songs. And then also Beni Mayengani nominated 3 songs because when it comes to these two, kuna swivula swo tala kahle kahle. And then Beni Mayengani it's ni happy, Musiwana, Phuzani Famba, and then Dr. Joy Sherman they nominated 1 song from him. Swandla swa Hlantswana, and then for Prince Rangani, he nominated 2 songs, Pongo and Zulile. And then Oscar Makamu, he nominated 1 song, Kunga Manyoro ya Rirhandzu. And then you see the song of Prince, he nominated 2 songs, Phinda Fute na Swafana Ntsena. And then Sign Free, he nominated 1 song, Nabe featuring NEC. And then Team Senso nominated 1 song. Majority of you know this song, Samampa from Team Senso. So mujala me ka comment section kore it's like what is your song of the year from the songs that I've mentioned. And then if your favorite song is not on the list, kindly leave your song on the comment section. And then one thing that I want to address, there is gang here, kuna gang ya bakhalabza later with a comment section. If I have done something you don't like, you don't insult me. That's not how it works. You don't insult me, you correct me. Lo get the gang, and then some of you next time I'm going to mention your names on this platform, on the very same platform. I'm going to screen grab, if possible. I'm going to search your profiles from Facebook or somewhere and then bring your pictures here, because in Hlamba ayikahle. And then so guys, thank you so much. You have been supportive throughout the year. Those who have already subscribed, thank you so much guys. Those who have not yet subscribed, I hope you will subscribe as time goes on, just because I'm not here to force you to subscribe. If you don't like the content, you don't like the content. There's nothing I can do, but I humbly request that you subscribe. I'm not saying you must. I'm humbly requesting you to subscribe. That's all I can say for now. Thank you guys. Take care of yourself. Those who are going to see the video today, be responsible, be safe. Those who are going to see the video after today, which means they're going to see it in 2020, be safe, responsible in whatever that you do. Lots of love from me. Bye bye guys. Inkom.